Characters, superheroes in Japan, superheroes in America, our favorite characters. How do we talk about those in English in a conversation? That's what today's topic is on the Social English Podcast, English Repair Shop. Let's get started. Intro.
今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Social English Podcast. Percy here. Today, we're going to have another English Repair Shop episode where we are going to together we're going to help a Japanese person learning English improve their English by fixing some mistakes. Today is a very easy episode. Basic, easy English level for you, the very beginner learner. Okay? So today's English Repair Shop episode, someone wants to talk about heroes. What superhero characters they like, what heroes they want to talk about in a conversation. Okay, so today we're going to have four parts of this episode like every single one. Part 1, the wrong English. Part 2, the corrected social English that I give you. And part 3, any hints I have. And part 4, natural speed English. Let's get started.
すべての英語修理店のエピソードと同様に4つのパートがあります。パート1では英語を勉強している日本人が間違って言ったことを正確に聞くことができます。パート2では会話型のソーシャルイングリッシュスタイルで正しい英語を聞くことができます。パート3ではパーシーはあなたが同じ過ちを犯さないようにするために彼が重要だと考えるヒントをあなたに与えます。パート4でパーシーは正しい英語版を高速で自然な速度で言います。このようにしてネイティブの速度で英語を聞く練習をすることもできます。
Please listen. 聞いてください。Who is your superhero? My hero are Iron Man and All Might. Okay, so as you see, that was a very quick, that's it. Very simple, 2 sentences. Let's go into it one more time. Who is your superhero? My hero are Iron Man and All Might. Okay, so that's not really how you say that. Let me correct that in the correct English, okay? Please listen. Who is your favorite superhero? My heroes that I like are Iron Man and All Might. Okay, that was it. Very simple way to fix that. Very easy way to correct that. Let's go into that one more time, and let's go into my hints. Part 3, these are my hints on how to fix that and things that you could listen to. So in the first sentence, who is your superhero? We want to say your favorite superhero. Okay, you want to say who is your favorite. You could even say, what superhero do you like best for the first sentence? But you have to say favorite or something like that. In number 2, my second advice, my hero are Iron Man. For the second part of my advice, you want to say my heroes with an S are Iron Man and All Might. So you want to say heroes because you're talking about more than one person. Okay, so those are my tips for you today. Those are my tips for how to say that. Let's move on to part 4. Part 4, fast English. Let's move into our fast, natural speed English so you can practice your English listening skills. Let's get started. Who is your favorite hero? My favorite heroes are Iron Man and All Might. Here it is one more time. Who are your favorite superheroes? My favorite heroes are Iron Man and All Might. Okay, and that's how you do it, everybody. That's how you talk about your favorite heroes. For today's action item, I want you to talk about your favorite hero. Say that in English. Do you like the Avengers? Do you like Spider-Man?
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。リアルソーシャルイングリッシュ .com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として$5の寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
Do you like All Might? Maybe another character from Japanese animation. But talk about that with a friend in English. Introduce your favorite character to them. Okay? That's what I want you to do for today's action item. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button or at least hit the like button so more people can see this video. And if you want to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Other than that, thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned some real social English. See you in the next episode. Peace and love.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトリアルソーシャルイングリッシュ .com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.